Hello YouTube, this is Mitch Quick Eats. I'm Mitch. Today we're going to just make some turkey stew real quick just to keep the hunger down, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to watch and see how it's done real quick. And we're going to make it delicious. I have onions and green peppers. Put in there first to saute. You're going to add seasonings at the same time. A little bit of parsley flakes. A little basil. A little crushed red pepper. Of course, I'm going to put a little adobo too in it, plus on the meat as well. Okay, stir it around. Why? Smells delicious, y'all. The best way to cook is usually season your saute too, as well as the meat. Okay. Now, while it's cooking, I'm going to throw the potatoes in there so they can get warm too. Cook down. Stir that up for a little while. Saute it up for like about a good 10 minutes. I like to put a little seasoning on the meat too before putting it in there. That way we season up good. Just make sure it's all in there really good. Sometimes you gotta use your hands. Make sure the meat's seasoned good. Make sure you stir it up every now and then so everything evenly sautés and cooked good a little bit, potatoes and all. As you can see, it looks rich and delicious. And this meal is probably under $15 because it's turkey. Turkey is a little expensive, but it's a better eat. It's a little better than chicken, a little healthier than chicken, believe it or not. I usually like cooking, take my time cooking and whatever else like that to make sure it's really good and evenly done. So it's like a little artwork when you cook. You're supposed to put love into whatever you're cooking because it's going inside your body. So you got to be really careful to cook it really good. Turkey got to cook real good, cook it down. So right now as it's sauteing and cooking, I'm waiting for the potatoes just to get a little softer. Then I can put the meat in there and let the meat cook down. Put some water on it and let it simmer for a bit so that way it can cook all the way through. And it's a done dish with the rice that we're making too. Okay, now I already pre-made the rice because that way you can see what's going on and it's a little easier that way. So I pre-made the rice because this is going to take a little bit of time to cook the right way. Now the potatoes get a little softer like I wanted it. Now I can start slowly adding the meat in. I cook with my hands, I'm sorry. Old school way, you cook with your hands. So I'm doing a one pan fry today to show you guys how easy it is to do a meal that you basically want and like. So I'm going to saute this up a little bit until it starts changing colors as well. So sit there like that for a little bit. So it's changed colors as it's cooking. I saute it. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook everything. As you see, it's starting to cook. Just turn it over a little bit here and there. Everything cooked down real good. Now I'm going to add a little water to it to let it simmer down. So the reason why I add a little water to it, so that way it'll get hot and cook the chicken all the way through, and the potatoes will cook down more because they're getting soft too now. So let that simmer down. And in about another 3 minutes, it'll be ready to serve. Potatoes are nice and done. Turkey looks like it's good.